How to update apps on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Here we go. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the app name that you want to update. Let me search for Facebook. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of it you will find the option of Open or Update. If the app requires any update, you will see the option of Update at the right corner of it. But if you see the option of Open over here, that means the app is already up to date. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of App Store. After you find the option, open it. Now here you're going to find this option of App Updates. Enable for this option. Now the apps installed in your device will be automatically updated when the updates are available for those apps. Well, this is how you can easily update apps on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.